Aslamualaikum friends, this video only Audi Q7 3.0cc. How to change the diesel filter of this car, how to start the car engine after changing the fuel filter. Please watch the full video step by step, then you can change the diesel fuel filter inshallah. Then go. First of all, if you like this video, please give me a like. If you make a new visit to my SCS Automotive channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much to everyone who is subscribed my channel. Everyone will pray. This is a new diesel fuel filter. I will change it, you see. I will open the cover on the filter. I will first open all the screw.
Hey there! Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
I will open the all screw. I'll open the top cover. Now remove the old filter. See what happens after the fuel filter gets dirty due to using it for many days. Install the new fuel filter. I will replace the fuel filter o-ring and up cover seal. installed the new filter, and now let's start the engine.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love